A carnivorous plant is a plant that traps and digests insects and sometimes small animals for food, but don't worry, humans aren't on the menu. Plants need nutrition, or vitamins needed for growth that are usually found in food, and most plants get what they need from the soil. Their roots move that nutrition up from the soil into the plant. Carnivorous plants have roots, too, but usually live where the soil isn't very good and doesn't have much nutrition they can use. Because of this, they have to get their nutrition by trapping and digesting their prey of insects and small animals instead. In fact, there are 630 different kinds of carnivorous plants around the world. Some carnivorous plants are water plants, they live in the water, and some live in the soil like most other plants do. Now you probably want to know how a carnivorous plant catches the bugs it needs to eat since plants don't have arms and legs and cannot walk. Well, there are actually 5 different ways a carnivorous plant can catch its prey food. Let's take a look. Pitfall plants. Some carnivorous plants have slippery leaves that are shaped like a funnel and slant down toward the bottom of the plant. When bugs land on the leaves of these plants, they slide down the leaf into a pool of digestive enzymes found in the bottom of the leaf. Note, digestive enzymes are juices that help digest food. Flypaper traps. You have probably heard of the Venus flytrap. This is the most popular or well-known carnivorous plant. But it is not the only one that catches its prey by gluing it to itself. When bugs land on a carnivorous plant like this, the sticky or gluey substance on the plant keeps bugs from being able to get away. And you know what that means: chomp, chomp, yum. Snap traps. Carnivorous plants with snap traps catch their food by trapping bugs inside their leaves so they cannot escape. Here's how it works. When bugs land on the leaves of these plants, hairy spikes snap shut almost instantly. The bugs then fall down in the leaves where they are digested. Bladder traps. Carnivorous plants with bladder traps live in the water. They suck bugs and other small animals out of the water like a vacuum cleaner and into the bladder so they can be digested. Lobster traps. Carnivorous plants with lobster traps use tiny hairs which are all going the same direction to force bugs to walk toward the pool of digestive enzymes at the bottom of the plant's leaves. Carnivorous plants need more than just bugs or frogs to survive, though. Like all other plants, carnivorous plants depend on photosynthesis for some if it's food, sugar, as well as carbon dioxide. So, why eat bugs? If they get food through photosynthesis, why do they need bugs or frogs to eat? Carnivorous plants get nitrogen, phosphorus, and calcium from their unique diet. Other plants get these things from the soil. How big are carnivorous plants? Most carnivorous plants don't get very big, about 12 inches tall. There are a few, however, that grow to be much larger than that. The large carnivorous plants grow to be about 3 feet tall. Don't worry, though, carnivorous plants don't eat people.